Okay, so in this video, we're going to look at reflecting across the line y equals. So it's kind of the same thing. Y equals x is this diagonal line that goes through the origin that has a slope of 1. Okay, so again, to figure that out, you could make a table and you could put in like different x values. And what you see is that the x and the y are exact same thing. So y would also be -2, x would be -1, y would be 0, and y would be 1. Sorry, y would be -1. So they're the same value. So when x is 1, y is 1. When x is 2, y is 2. When x is 3, y is 3. And you get this diagonal line that goes through the origin. Okay, so if I want to reflect, let's just do the 2 points, A, B. It's the same thing that we did for when we did y equals -x. We're going to make this right angle with this line. So you can either count like straight down to the line or straight over to the line. And then you need to go the opposite direction to form a 90-degree to land on the other side of the line. So like for A, if I were to go this way, then I'm going to count the same amount this way, because then I get a 90-degree with that line. And it's on the opposite side. I don't want to go up because then I'm not flipping A over this line. So if I count, A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I'd count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, be careful. It's really easy to count these incorrectly. So just take your time and recount if you need to. So then for B, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to count to the line and then down. So this one's 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. And then I get B prime. And so this is my image. Okay, so then if we write the coordinates, so AB was -1, 6. Or sorry, A was -1, 6, and then B was -1, 2. Okay, and if I look at A prime, okay, A prime is here. So it's a +6, -1, and B prime is here, which is a +2, -1. Okay, so if we study our coordinates again, if we look, okay, they're the same signs, but they're switched. So this x became y and this y became x. So the rule for y equals x is xy becomes yx. And again, you just change the signs, or you don't change the signs, you just switch the coordinates. So this one's easier than y equals -x. Okay, so that's how you reflect across y equals x.